What's up, YouTube? We are back with another I Purchased It. I'm going to review it for you guys. And this time we see that I purchased two of these. Dragonhawk Complete Tattoo Kit with Case, Beginner, Traditional Coils, Tattoo Machines, Power Supply, Immortal Tattoo Inks, Tattoo Needles, Foot Pedal, Grips, Tips, etc. I purchased two of these for friends of mine who want to learn how to tattoo. And I know Dragonhawk gets a bad name. Everyone thinks if you don't buy the super expensive stuff, your tattoo work's gonna suck. That's not true. Your tattoo work sucks because you're a shitty tattoo artist. You don't know what you're doing. You have crappy ink, or you need more practice. It's just simple. People in prison tattoo with the crappiest tattoos there are and make some of the best damn tattoos in this whole world, and they have no professional inks, they have no professional guns. They burn chest pieces, they burn checker pieces, take the soot scraper, add some add some shampoo and a drop of water, and that's how they tattoo. Or they take baby oil, flipping the can upside down, put a wick on it, burn it, take the soot, scrape it, add some shampoo and a couple drops of water, and make tattoo ink. So don't say the tattoo kit sucks because it's cheap, because that's not true. It's a matter of your skill level, the needles, and the tattoo ink, and the speed you have your tattoos on, and the depth of your needle. Cheapest tattoo equipment possible that you can buy can be make some of the greatest tattoos if you know what you're doing. Anyways, I bought two of these, and 85 bucks, 83 bucks. Let's see, yada yada. So in the kit you get, let's see, you get 9 starter tattoo machine kits. You get 50 tattoo needles. You get power supply, foot pedal, yada yada, clip cords, ink cups, tattoo steel grips, 304 steel tips, adjustable tools, practice skin, and more tattoo supplies for a beginner. Okay, so here's a picture of it. You really do get all those tattoo guns. You really do get all the bottom tattoo guns, and you really do all these inks. You only get 2 grips there, a couple tips, like I think it's like 8 or 10 tips. But if you buy this kit, make sure you order more tips, preferably disposable, and you order more grips, preferably disposable. Now you can get the grips with the tips that are all in one piece that are disposable. But I'll go with that one. And make sure you get more ink cups. There's a couple tattoos. There's a couple tattoo guns. A couple more tattoo guns. Power supply, foot pedal, clip cord, and these inks here. These are Immortal inks. And if you're gonna buy this, you get the case, the gloves, the rubber bands, all that crap. So let me tell you, these inks, if you buy this kit, do not use these inks on anybody. Do not put them in your own skin. They are crap. They suck. They are not safe to be in your skin. Other than these inks here, this tattoo kit is great. It works excellent. It does the job. It does quality work if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you probably shouldn't be tattooing people. Now, if you want to just buy it and you want to scratch at home and just tattoo yourself or some of your friends who don't care that you're not a professional, then that's okay. But everything in this kit is great except for these inks. So if you buy this kit, make sure you buy better ink, because that ink sucks. Otherwise, this kit is great. As you can see, it's got 218 reviews and it's got almost 5 stars. So I will leave a link in the description if you're interested in this tattoo kit. I give it my thumbs up, minus the ink. I'll leave a link in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. If you're a Dragonhawk tattoo equipment hater, I don't need to hear your opinion. I'm just doing a review for this video because I bought it, and I'm not really here to debate what's the best kit, what's the best ink, what's the best coils, what's the best Why, do you want to use rotary? Do you want to use other kind of tattoo machines? Doesn't matter. All I'm doing is reviewing the kit that I purchased, and just remember the ink sucks, so get different inks. Otherwise, the kit's great, and it's great to have a million tattoo guns laying around everywhere. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.